Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, who has granted us this amazing opportunity to be able to share with you some amazing recipes this Ramadan on Adore Eats, and also some lovely Eid treats with you with our special guest Sabiha Suleiman from Lodium, also known as the Twisted Baker on Instagram. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Sabiha.
Wa alaikum assalam. Jazakallah so much for having me on your show. I'm really excited to show you all my recipe and present it to you all.
It's really nice having Sister Sabiha with us. She's currently at school studying for her matric exams, as well as has this amazing Instagram page where she does all these specialty cakes such as red velvet on the Twisted Baker, and she's also taken our time today to come and make this amazing Eid dessert recipe with us. It's so nice having you here today. So what are we making today?
So today I'm going to show you the recipe for a Bisco Miso, which is basically a combination of lotus biscoff spread and the budwa biscuits with my twist in it.
Okay, so we have
The budwa biscuits, then we have milk, which we're going to heat up and add the coffee to. We have the lotus biscoff biscuits, the spread, and I have some whipping cream.
Okay, so you've kept the whipping cream in the fridge.
Yep.
Okay, so I think that will just allow it to be a bit more firm and dense also. Okay, so can we start with our recipe?
Yeah. So you're gonna take a cup of milk and you heat it up, and then add it to a flat dish in which you can put your biscuits in and it can work. Right. Then to this I'm gonna add some coffee. Depends if you all like it very coffee, you can add more, but I added little because it becomes too coffee taste.
Okay, so you can add any coffee, right? I'd say whether it's
Any
fine
coffee.
or granule coffee.
Whichever one is your favorite, yeah. Just mix that really nice.
Do you add any sweetener to that?
No, you don't. But if you want to, you can. Maybe people who find coffee too strong, they
I
can
also
add.
think the budwa biscuits are already sugar coated, so they are quite sweet as well. And especially with the lotus spread, this is really sweet.
Yeah.
A really nice but sweet taste.
Okay, so we're gonna start off by taking our biscuits, and we're just gonna do it one by one. You're gonna put your biscuit in, get it a little soaked up in the dish. When it gets a little soaked, you're just gonna start
So we dip
spreading
our
it.
biscuits just so it absorbs in the dish.
Yep.
Okay, so this makes our biscuits really soft and tasty.
Yeah, and it gives it a nice liquidy kind of, moist cake kind of taste.
Oh, sorry, do you want to see what dessert we're making today, Mila? Maliha. Assalamu alaikum, Maliha. Say assalamu alaikum to Sabiha.
Assalamu alaikum.
So we're making a nice dessert today, a coffee dessert with lotus spread. Do you want to taste some? Okay, you don't want to taste some.
I want to taste it.
After it's ready, then you can have some. You can go play now.
I want you.
Okay, so after you layer the biscuits, what's the next part of it?
So then you're gonna take your cream. You're gonna whip your cream with some sugar till it becomes stiff, and then you're gonna pipe it on. You can do whatever design you want, but I'll show you what design I'll be doing.
So this is our budwa biscuits layered. So tell me more about this dessert again.
So it's Paris kind of inspired because it's a tiramisu, but now it just has lotus biscoff with it. So it's
Okay,
like
so it's a
Paris
French-inspired dessert and with a twist of the lotus biscoff.
Yeah.
So we're used to eating tiramisu, but this gives it a bit of a different taste.
Yeah.
So again, unconventional.
Yep. So now this is the cream. You're just gonna take some cream and you're gonna layer it on top of your budwa biscuits.
Okay, so we lay our cream onto our budwa biscuits.
Just spread it out till it gets everywhere.
And then do you just put this into the fridge?
Yeah. So it just becomes thickened and it like absorbs more, so it tastes better.
Okay, and how many layers do you use of the budwa biscuits?
So I do 2 layers, but you can go up to 3, 4, how many you want.
Okay. So I think the more you lay it, just look a bit more presentable.
Yeah.
And do you sweeten the cream?
I don't, because it's already sweet enough with the sauce, the biscuits, the coffee and everything, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm going
And
to
your
do the
next
second
layer.
layer. Yep.
Which you put in your, I think that also you using the warm milk allows the budwa biscuit to absorb the flavor better.
Yep.
so it also softens these biscuits. And does this require to be refrigerated?
Yeah, it does. The dessert.
I'd say for about, I wouldn't think too long because the cream's already whipped, the biscuits are already softened.
Yeah, not for too long.
And you can also serve this with fruit or berries, I suppose it would look really nice, or chocolate drizzle.
And it would really look good on your e-table.
I think it's a really pretty dessert. And I think this has also become quite famous with traveling, and I mean, it's quite an international spread compared to our Nutella that we have, and everyone's quite fond of it now.
Yeah.
So now you've layered the second layer, and what do you put after that?
So then I emptied out some lotus sauce into a piping bag to give it that nice decoration. So I used this stuff, and after that, before that, you're just gonna put in more cream on top.
Okay, so you just layer more cream on top.
Yeah.
And this is a really pretty dessert for your eat table.
Yes.
Don't forget to follow Sabiha Suleiman with the Twisted Baker on Instagram. She's based in Lodum, and she has a variety of tasty treats as well as baking that you can order from her. I will post Sister Sabiha on my Instagram page as well, on Adore by Adila, where you can follow her and view some of her lovely things that she bakes.
Okay, now we're done with the second cream layer. We're just gonna pipe some of this on it.
So I think it's really pretty that you're piping it out. It also looks much more presentable.
Yeah, it gives
This
it
looks
a nice
really
look.
tasty and yummy. This looks like a really tasty dessert. So, Sabiha, are you looking forward to your matric exams this year?
Oh, I'm really nervous.
Do you use baking as a de-stressing mechanism for your
That's how it all
stress?
started.
Really?
It started with baking.
So with the exam pressure, you bake.
Yeah.
I think that's a very good idea, because then you have ready-made snacks for studying as well.
So after we're done with piping, then you take some crushed biscuits and you're just gonna layer it in the center.
I'm sure your parents must be really happy that they have a child in matric who enjoys cooking as well.
They're really lucky I can bake for them all the time.
We need to tell Sabiha Suleiman's parents this.
Okay, and then...
Okay, so
that's
this
the
is our final product. This looks really nice. I'm really looking forward to having some of this. Jazakallah so much for making this lovely dessert with us, Sabiha. It was so nice having you on our show, and I'm looking forward to ordering some nice cupcakes from you on the Twisted Baker. And also, I can't wait to taste some of your new ideas and recipes that you have. Jazakallah so much for being here with us
Jazakallah.
today.
It was
Would
an
you like
honor
to
being
say
here.
anything?
I just want to say it was an honor being on the show, and I really enjoyed showing my recipes, and next time I'd really like to present more recipes and be on the show again.
Eid Mubarak from Sabiha Suleiman and myself to you. Jazakallah, and have a blessed few days of Ramadan and a good Eid.